for the record, can you tell me how to spell the sound that an owl makes? Spell the sound that an owl makes.
That sound? I don't even know what you're talking about.
What sound does an owl make?
I don't know, like the whoa or something. Something like.
Instant gold. Put that on YouTube.
Well, I don't know what sound it is. How would you do it then, Tom?
I didn't say I was wrong, but you just said so.
You've read a book or two, I'm sure. What sound does an owl make at nighttime?
I don't know.
If you had to guess what sound an owl made.
I don't know. I could do like a tiger or something, or a cat, or a dog.
What sound does an owl make?
I really don't know. Oh, it was like I can't do it.
Whatever you think it is, just spell that.
I don't know. Wouldn't it be like O H H H H H H then O W W W W W W like or something like
Excellent answer.